Alia Bhatt starrer Darlings is out on Netflix today. The film has an interesting cast of Vijay Verma, Shefali, Shah and Roshan Mathew. Darlings also marks the debut of Alia Bhatt as the producer through Eternal Sunshine Productions. Darlings explores the lives of a mother-daughter duo played by Bhatt and Shefali Shah, trying to find their place in the city, seeking courage and love in exceptional circumstances while fighting against all odds, a PTI report added. Bhatt said that with OTT in the business, there is a lot of scope for writers to not worry about the day one box office numbers. Makers simply need to focus on creating good characters, female or male, it doesn't matter, she said. The film is directed by debutant Jasmeet K. Reen and has received a good response so far. Fans have been excited for the dark comedy to release. Watch Darlings this weekend and tell us how you liked the movie in the comments below.